Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word Mislay. Mislay has two syllables and we pronounce it as Mislay, Mislay, Mislay. The word mislay means to unintentionally put something in the wrong place and then temporarily forget where you placed it. For example, if you cannot find your favorite pen because you left it in a different drawer, you could say, I always mislay my pen. Example sentences of mislay are: Number 1. I often mislay my glasses and have trouble finding them. Number 2. She realized she had mislaid her necklace after the party. Synonyms of mislay are forget, misplace, displace. Antonyms are remember, locate, retain. The first form is mislay, the second form is mislaid, and the third form is mislaid. Common preposition used with this word is in, and the other prepositions are on and under. Thanks for watching.